120. We got a torrential downpour and lightning. Things like this fascinate me a lot. And currently right now, as I was looking at it in telecasts, there is forms of, I want to say, Haarp rings are being displayed on their radar system. So this is the reason why we're getting this crazy weather front right now. So cloud seeding, I don't know if you guys seen a lot of the jets that were flying over this whole week here in Oxnard, but yeah, they did a good job, guys. They did a good job on this. So a lot of my shit here at home, it's kind of fucked up because this freaking wind that just came in just fucking started fucking shit up, dude. I'm sorry, excuse my language, but yeah, that's what happened. So, yep, we got this going on right now. We got lightning, high wind, and a good strong pour.